Hi, good day, M6191. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, ma'am and sir. I'm Dalia B. Crusin. I'm 34 years old. I'm
Your religion,
I'm Catholic. I'm born in January 21, 1991. I'm married. I have three children.
ages.
One boy and two girls. Ages is 16, 11, and 9. I'm high school graduate.
Okay, tell me about your experience as a helper.
My first experience here in Philippines, serving the two couples and one children and coming newborn baby. My duties is general cleaning, child caring, babysitting, and I'm focused to take care of the
Newborn.
newborn and children and do the household chores.
Okay, and you have another experience in
Yes.
Saudi, right?
Yes.
Okay, tell me
I,
about your experience.
I'm I'm serving the two couple and main duty I and coming newborn baby and main duties is general cleaning, child caring, babysitting, and I'm focused to
Take good care of the baby.
yes.
Okay, so you have a lot of experience taking care of a newborn baby since here in the Philippines and also in Saudi Arabia,
Yes,
right?
sir.
So you know how to prepare a milk for a newborn, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, if the baby is crying, what will you do?
If the I check the temperature, if the and then check the tummy is ouchy, and then also if the diaper is full,
Okay, and if the baby doesn't stop to cry after you did all of your best, what will you do?
I will call my employer to tell the baby not stop crying
Okay. Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
because the Hong Kong is high salary and nice country for domestic helper.
Okay, and how long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I'm 2 years and more than 2 years and also my employer what needs me.
So it is okay to you to extend your contract.
Yes,
Do you have an idea how to prepare Chinese food?
no, but I'm willing to learn to how to cook.
Okay, and how will you learn to cook?
I watch the YouTube and I read the cooking book.
Okay. Um, if your employer prepared some food that you are not familiar, it is okay to you to eat the food that they provide.
Yes,
It is okay to you to share jobs as a helper.
yes,
It is okay to you to share room with kids.
yes,
How about if your employers have a prior commitment on Sunday or on a holiday? It's okay to you to work?
yes,
How about taking care of pets?
yes,
Taking care of elderly, helping them go to bed, to the
yes,
bathroom. It
yes,
is okay with
yes,
you? Okay. If one of your employers' family don't know how to speak English, it is okay to you to learn their language?
yes. I'm willing to learn to learn to how to speak language of Cantonese.
Okay. My last question is, what will be your message for your future employer?
To my future employer, I wish you hire me. I'm hardworking, trustworthy, and I'm take care of your family like my family and your baby. I will take care very well. Thank you.
Okay, thank you
See
very
you
much,
soon.
Miss Dahlia. Thank you.
Thank you.